The feelings start creeping up, coming your way. Can't do a thing no matter what they say. You find yourself walking around daydreaming. Roses being red and violets blue. She loves me, yes, she loves me not. That's what you do. You can't get a grip, I know you're acting foolish. Look in the mirror and say, what's this? Looks like something I go on. Love's contagious, something I go on. But it's the sweetest sickness. Feeling inside, bubbling over. You get a feeling inside, bubbling over. It's like something I go on. Love's contagious. It is a sweet life. Coming in from the cold. We're coming in.
Oh, that's the perfect song, DJ Gabby, because I am cold today. Very, very cold.
Another cold front.
Yes,
Can you imagine?
Cold front. So I see Power doing this thing. Power can really play.
All right, so here's the thing, right? I'm a musician. I can play the drums.
Okay.
Right? And of course, drum and bass kind of go hand in hand.
I see.
So really and truly, if I learn a song, I can play it on the bass. So I think the first song I learned to play on the bass was a Bob Marley song, Natural Mystic.
All right, listen, because I can do that too. I can pretend.
It's called the air bass.
Welcome to Daytime Live. It is Friday, and if you didn't already know, today marks the 81st birthday of the legendary Bob Marley. Come on, off a clap. Yes, so we have a really jam-packed show lined up for you, and as you can see, we have a nice audience here in Daytime Live.
Of course, and a special welcome if you're tuning in via onespotmedia.com. An extra special welcome to our live studio audience. And of course, big up to our DJ Gabby in the building. I don't know.
All right, so Daytime Live starts right now. So, Power, we're gonna get buzzing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So first up, all right, you have to remember that if you're watching from home, you know, and if you really wanna be here, you could have done so today. All you have to do every Tuesday, every Friday, come down to Television Jamaica. We're located at 32 Lyndhurst Road. Make sure you reach here by 12:15 because we start at 12:30 to seat you. And then you wanna follow us on all our social media and watch some past episodes on onespotmedia.com or go to YouTube. Alrighty, so as we jump into buzz, first up, the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel, is making it clear that his MC and longtime friend, MC Nuffy, is not authorized to speak on his behalf. You'll hear him name though. This comes after Nuffy went viral online following Keznamdi's Grammy win for the best reggae album for Blood and Fire.
No,
yeah.
The online crash out had Kartel stepping in real fast. And in an Instagram post, he made sure to distance himself from the drama, saying Andrew Nuffy Nelson is his brother and official MC, but he is in no way authorized to speak or represent him in any official business, legal or brand-related capacity.
Well, after Kartel's statement, Nuffy decided to issue an apology. And Nuffy said, you know, I apologize for statements I made regarding the Grammy Awards and its selection process. They were made in a moment of passion. I also sincerely apologize to the recipient of the award. So in that same name now, Nuffy. My remarks were not intended to diminish their achievement. Nuffy, you still never say
Still never say.
Okay.
And before we break it all down, let's take a look at the clip that started the drama. Daytime Live, let's look.
You don't know who a part of the Grammy already. Them no want Vybz Kartel win no Grammy. Them no want him get no Grammy. You nominate Kartel with Keznamdi, then Keznamdi when you do no journey in music and you do nothing for music. Yeah, youth, you come up and you want the yellow thing. You don't do nothing.
A crash out indeed. No.
All right. Any of you guys been following it? Who's been following it? Who know about it?
Hands up.
Okay.
All right.
Give him the mic. Him put up him hand. I want you to say your name and I want you to tell us what you think about the whole situation. You not reach it yet? It reached? Go on now.
My name is Mariam Dunn. Well, I think that Nuffy didn't really know about Keznamdi like that. So his ignorance says it all.
I get
Right. So because him never know him say, oh boy, you know, Kartel, they deserve it and thing. So anybody here knows Kez Namdi? Yeah, you know Kez Namdi and a couple of him songs.
If he's a reggae man, you gotta know, man.
As a reggae man, as a culture man, yeah.
Okay, got you.
So still on the buzz, American rapper Glorilla is catching heat, and this time it's coming from inside the family. Now her sister Scarface says the rapper is obligated to help their struggling family back home in Memphis.
All right, so in a recent interview with TMZ Live, Scarface said, you know, she and her siblings endured extreme hardship growing up together, and Scarface is arguing that the TGIF rapper should now support the same family she once struggled beside.
Scarface also claims Glorilla spends money on friends instead and disputes past reports that the rapper has her parents financially set. But Glorilla wasn't letting that slide. She responded by sharing a screenshot of a message believed to be from her mother, thanking the Grammy-nominated rapper for her continued support and adding that she already does so much for the family. Now, anybody in the audience, are you familiar with the case that's going on? Lovely lady here in the front.
Oh, give it to her.
What are your thoughts? Pass her the mic.
Name, yes, and your thoughts. You can't pretend don't talk.
That is it. Camera ready, TV ready.
Go.
Hi, so I think that the sister is pretty entitled. Your sister don't have to come up and do everything for you. She mentioned something about the car that she gifted her parents, though having no gas. And I think you get a car, you must can put gas in it. That's the least.
That's the least. You understand?
You know? So it's a pretty much situation where entitlement came into play. And I think as a sibling, you should be entitled. You should can have motion for yourself.
Yeah. Some type of, you know, gumph and rigor for kind of work and get a job.
Sometimes, let me tell you, honestly, how I feel sometimes. I appreciate social media, but sometimes I feel social media give too many people a voice.
A voice.
Like really and truly, if there wasn't the space to come out and say certain things, we wouldn't even be talking about you. Right. But yeah, yes, thank you for that. Entitled, that's what it is.
Yeah.
So we're moving from one, I suppose, entitled person to a possible entitled situation. I don't know. The daughter of reality star and business mogul Kim Kardashian and rapper Kanye West is causing a major stir online. Why? This is after revealing her latest piercings in a recent Instagram story. So North, that's the name of their daughter, shared a photo showing off her blinged out hand, which has sent tongues actually wagging.
And since first stepping out with the body modification in 2025, North, alongside Kim Kardashian, has been vocal in defending the fashion choice. However, during an October episode of Call Her Daddy, Kim admitted that she sometimes makes mistakes, as you can imagine, especially when allowing North to wear certain outfits, some of which have sparked huge debates about age appropriateness. She added that all she's asking for is a little bit of grace. All right, so we're going to test the audience again. So if you are for the piercings, I want to clap.
Remember, she's 12,
she's 12, as big as
Let's
she looks.
Put it in context.
Yeah, so if you're for the piercings, clap. And if you're silence. All right, are you against the piercings? Clap. All right.
So what does Kim mean by she needs grace? Grace for what?
I guess to make mistakes and learn and to eat the food.
Grace.
As a young-ish mother, so I guess, you know, to make mistakes and learn from these mistakes and, you know, but on the flip side, there is a responsibility as a celebrity and a role model to many to kind of, you know.
You have a daughter?
I have two.
You have two daughters?
I have two daughters.
Okay.
No. 6 and 5.
Okay, so one day, one of your daughters will be 12.
Yeah.
What grace will you need if she wants piercings? In her hands and everything.
I must Pierce Brosnan movie or something. What kind of in your hand? I mean, I understand your ear, but in your hand.
She has it like.
But I mean, if you follow the family, Kanye West is kind of out there with the fashion, so you know, probably inherited it from him. I think.
Oh, so it's genetic. So
yes, so she born in it. You know, just
all right, cool.
A little understand.
Okay. All right, cool. Thanks for the clarity. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for Buzz. But guess what? We promised you a packed show. So we have lots more here on Daytime Live. When we come back, we're going to have Protege. Who else we're going to have?
Diani.
Yes, and we have one more performance in us. So you have to stick and stay to find out who it is. Daytime Live will be back right after this.
It talks them with where them got to. And voting twice to shot to. Don't make them spot you unless you carry guns a lot to. A beer tough king come at you when Trenchtown man stop laugh and block off traffic. Then them we learn pop off and them start clap it. We the pin file long and it a beat rapid. Police come in a jeep and them can't stop it. Some say them a playboy rabbit.